Hey guys, it's Nico, back with another unboxing. So I have the new Pinme Muse. It is the Street Muse Edit. And then we also have the Thailand exclusive, the Blush Lotus. Pinme was kind enough to send me and give me these for you to check out too on here. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway of 2 of the blind boxes and also one of the Blush Lotus. And that is my gift from me to you guys. So, but they had gifted me a Thailand exclusive set and then 2 of the blind boxes to show to you guys. So I had already opened my Blush Lotus, but I can't wait to show it to you. And right now, I will link Pinme's site down in the description box and go out and follow them on social as well. It's a new IP, and I think they are just beautiful, and they're actually coming out with a US exclusive. It is dropping later this summer, I believe, early fall, hopefully. And the drawing looks amazing. The artwork on it is, go and check them out on social. You can actually see the artwork of the US exclusive. So, but yeah, the only way to get the Thai exclusive is through the $99 pack on their website. That's the only way to get this girl right here. Or you can just buy some blind boxes. But yeah, the $99 set includes the Thai Blush Lotus and then 2 of the Muse Street Edit blind boxes. So, okay. I'm excited to get into it with you guys and show you. I'm going to keep this Blush Lotus box intact because that is going to one of you. And I will let you know how to do that at the end of this video. So stay tuned. But this is the box that she comes in. It's just beautiful. Very pretty. It's a little banged up right there, but not bad. So, and yeah, so this is the box that she comes in, but I'm going to keep her in there because I took mine out already and I want to leave her in there for one of you guys. So, but this is her. She's beautiful. Look at her. So let me see if I can, go forward a little bit here. I'm trying out a little new camera angle, but look at this girl. She is so pretty. So this is the Blush Lotus, and look at this. She's got like this gold hardware detail on her ear, and look at this makeup. She's wearing this like little cape with a little gold brooch, and she's got a really pretty flower over here. It's got a little lacy detail on it. It's really cute. And then her little legs, she has velour, ivory little feet, and then she does have a little flower embroidery there on her leg, and she does have little arms. They're just like tucked under her cape a little bit here. So look at this makeup, just gorgeous, so pretty. She's got blush on, and then her little lips, and then she has like gold eyeliner or like eyeshadow just like on the corner on the inside of her eyes, and then she does have a little flower detail right there on her forehead. And then look at the sheen in her hair. It's like a pinky gold. It's really pretty, really pretty. So she has really fluffy fur, and then her little ears are like double embroidered, kind of actually tripled actually. It's so pretty. Look at that. But she is a plush pendant, and it does say Muse on it. And let's flip her around here to look at the back of her. In the back of her little cape, it actually is like I don't know, like a brocade, I guess. It's this fabric, but it's really, really nice. So, and she's super soft and very pretty. But this is the Thailand exclusive. Like I said, I can't wait for them to come out with the US version of her, but she is super pretty. And this is just gorgeous. So, she's amazing. Okay, let's move on to our blind boxes. I'm excited. Okay, so again, I am giving out 2 of the blind boxes and one of the Thai exclusives. So there'll be 3 lucky winners in the giveaway that I'm doing. So, all right. So this is a blind box. There are 3 choices. We can get Ballet Bloom, Y2K Honey, or The Secret, and I will put the picture up on the screen for you guys, but The Secret is Midnight Vogue, and it is 172, and I would love, love, love to get Midnight Vogue. So, yeah, I'm super excited to open these up and show you guys this new IP. So here we go. All right. And they do come with cards. So let me put that off to the side here. And here is our bag. It's kind of a tie situation. It says Muse on it, Street Muse Edit. Okay. Let's open it up and see who our first one is. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, we got Y2K Honey. She's beautiful. I love this one, guys. She is adorable. She has the softest fur. I mean, super soft. And look at these braids. Like, the braids are adorable. She's got like little hardware at the end of them. She does have 2 of them. So, and she's got like peachy lips and just this really cool like gold makeup. And she does have like a little star tattoo up there and just like very peachy blush. She's just super adorable, and her eyes are gold and they glitter. Oh my gosh, look at this. And her hair is like blonde, and she does have like, see that dual embroidery in her ears is just super cute. And she has a fur cape on, or like a little fur cape, and then it has chain detail on it, which is super cool. It feels so luxurious, just stunning. And then she does also have, she has like the same embroidery on her leg that she does on her, above her eye. So it's super cute. And she's just super soft. And she also has little velour feet. So she is adorable. Let's look at the back of her. And again, she has a plush pendant. And this is the back, just super soft. I love the ears on them. They're just super cute. And the makeup is just beautiful. Okay, let's look at these two together for a minute. Oh my gosh, look at them. Which one do you like so far? I don't know. I like both of them. I love all of these, actually. They are adorable. So, okay. Let's look at her card. And let's put that off to the side. Okay, here is the card. Super pretty. So the Thailand exclusive doesn't come with a card, just FYI, but the blind boxes do come with cards. So, and this is Y2K Honey, just super pretty card. Look at the iridescence on that. Gorgeous. And then this is the back. It says Pinme and Y2K Honey. And that is our card. Okay, let's open up our next one. Let's put that one here, and I will show you all 3 when we get done. But you do have an option to get The Secret, so I would really love to see this one, the Midnight Vogue one. But yeah, they're all adorable. So let's see here. Let's open our, oops, this one didn't tear so hot. There we go. All right. How's everybody doing today? Don't forget to go out and like this video so I can bring you guys more content like this. Helps me out, helps the channel out. Let's see here. Got some new nails on today. Aren't they pretty? These are my prettiest ones I've had yet, I think. They're also long. Okay, let's see here. Sorry. All right. And if you're not subscribed, go out and subscribe. So you can, that little bell icon, and then it will give you updates when I do put a new video out. So, okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Ballet Bloom. Oh, look at this pretty girl. She is just gorgeous. Oh, wow. Okay, so she has a little satin cape on with a little flocked button here. And her makeup is all about the pinks and purples. So, oh my goodness. And she has like this pink glitter sheen. I think you can see it on her forehead. Yeah, for sure. And then her hair is ombre, pink into white into pink again. And she has a little star on her cheek. And she has beautiful blue eye, or they're purple eyes, sorry. Purple eyes. And then, yeah, she is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at her little feet. They're purple velour. And then she does have the little star embroidered on her leg as well. And she does have little purple ribbons coming off of her satin. Little cape here. It's so cute. And this is the back. And she does have a purple Pinme and Muse lanyard. So, and she has purple in her ears. So cute. And this one's super soft as well. She's just beautiful. I think that, like, I don't know which one my favorite is. I just think they're both, all three of them are adorable, actually. So they all look a little bit, you know, they all have their own little personalities, and I like that. So, and you can mix and match, or you can wear them together. I actually wore mine together the other day, because look at these beauties. They are gorgeous. Just amazing. All right, let's get all three of them in here together. Oh my goodness. Aren't they cute? Which one's your favorite? Or all three of them. I think all three of them, for real. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, so now that you've stayed tuned, oh wait. I'm getting ahead of myself. We need to look at the card, and then I will talk about the giveaway. Okay. Here is the card for Ballet Bloom. Just beautiful. Here are the three. I'm giving away two of the blind boxes and one blush Lotus. So how you can win is by liking this video, commenting on the video by saying who your favorite is and who you hope to see, who you'd want to get if you won the giveaway. And then by following me on Instagram, I will put the link below in the comments, and then sending me a message on there, because that is how I connect you to your post on YouTube. And that's how you get a hold of me. So yeah, but that's how you do it. So super exciting. I'm just stoked to be sharing these beautiful girls with some three of you lucky winners. So thank you for hanging out with me today. Yeah, go out and like this video though, and leave a comment. So thanks for hanging out. See you guys. Bye.